What's up guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and today I will be showing you guys how I got these big beach body wave curls. This is a frontal wig that I installed. This hair is straight and it's 22 inches. This wig I did get from Amazon, so if you're interested in trying out any Amazon wigs, this is one that I got from Amazon. This is 22 inches and it holds the curl pretty well, as you can see. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the red notification bell down below so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. And if you want to see how I got these curls using this, stay tuned. So as always, let's get straight into the video. Today I'm going to be using this 13x4 frontal wig. As you can see, this is a frontal wig. It has the clips inside and also an adjustable band. This wig came in natural color and it is 22 inches, and I did purchase this wig from Amazon. So if anybody wants to know the seller that I purchased this affordable wig from, you can, just leave a comment down below, or any type of questions or anything that you have to ask, and I'll be sure to let you know the vendor where I purchased this wig from. This wig is very, very affordable. This is like something, if you want something last minute, something fast, if you want something that's going to be, here within a couple of days and you don't have to wait a long time, and it holds the curl pretty well and it looks really good when you install it. It doesn't look like a like some of those beauty supply store wigs that just look, a little bit crazy, and then the lace is like really, really thick and hard to blend and hard to just melt down and install. This will be a good wig to purchase. So again, this is from Amazon, very affordable, 22 inches, natural color. This is a 13x4 frontal wig that I did install, and I did install this wig using a bow hole lace glue. And I did also watercolor this wig off camera as well and bleach the knots. I dyed it with the Revlon black hair dye, and I did customize the hairline because my my exact hairline, and I did pluck out the front of my wig. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be taking kind of small sections today, because I did want these curls to be really big and bouncy. So I'm going to be using this curling iron right here to curl my hair. And another thing that I did off camera is I did spray my hair with my heat protectant, and I did put some oil sheen on my hair as well, and thoroughly comb that through so that the hair has a nice shine to when I am styling this hair. I am not going to be spraying my hair like with any type of spritz spray to like hold the curl, because I wanted this look to be like big body wave. That's the look that I was going for when I was doing this video and curling this hair. So that's why I didn't want to spray the hair with any type of spritz or anything like that. So yes, I was just doing this video just for just to show you guys how I curl my hair. I wasn't necessarily going anywhere. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to achieve big bouncy body wave curls from straight hair to body wave. And I just wanted to show you how I do it, what's my method, and how easy it is as well. And I did also wanted you guys just to check out this wig that I have installed. Again, it is from Amazon. It's pretty good quality. So I also wanted to show you guys how well this hair takes a curl and holds a curl, and the end results from me curling this hair. So again, if you want bigger curls, you would have to use a bigger curling iron, and also if you want smaller, tighter curls, you would use a smaller curling iron. And if you want your curls to hold all day, if you are going somewhere, going out, I would recommend you spraying your hair with some type of spritz, some type of holding spray, so that it holds that curl in place and that it doesn't drop. The curls doesn't drop with any heat or change of temperature or anything like that. It's good to spray it with some type of spritz spray to hold it in place. And another thing that I do, if I'm going to be going to sleep and I want to have curls in the morning time, sometimes I will use the pin curl method, where you curl the hair and then you pin it in place after you curl the hair, and it would just hold the curl all night. And when you take it out in the morning, the curls look so beautiful, and you know, they still look nice and full. They're not going to be flat or anything like that, because again, you're pin curling it to your, you know, to your head basically. After you let the curl drop, you take the curling liner off, you just take the pin and you just roll it back up and then pin it in place. Another thing that I like to do is when I want to have those curls in the morning time and I don't have enough time to curl my hair in the morning, or I just don't feel like you know, spending a lot of time just doing my hair in the morning, another thing that you can use is the foam rollers. They come in different lengths and different colors inside of the beauty supply store. You can find that in any beauty supply store, and also you can find that on Amazon as well. I know I mentioned Amazon a lot is because I find a lot of products on Amazon that you can find in your local beauty supply store. So if you don't see it there in the length or size that you want, you can always check out Amazon to make those same purchases for your rollers, or even your pins for your pin curls. So yeah, that's another thing. So when I did the roller method, I just spray my hair regular, whatever oil sheen or spray that I'm going to be using, and I curl the hair, and then I just wrap the hair around the foam roller. You fold each end down so that it stays in place, basically. So when you get up in the morning, you take it out, the curls are nice and full and bouncy, and they just look beautiful, and you don't have to spend a lot of time doing your hair in the morning. You just comb them out and go. You can give it a spray with some spritz in the morning time, just so that curl lasts you a while and it doesn't drop as fast. So again, I'm taking small sections because this is just the size that I wanted my beach curls to be, as you can see. And you don't have to use a comb, you could just use your finger like I'm doing here, just to make those parts, because again, these are body waves. So after I am finished curling the hair, I will be combing it all out at the end, but I'm not going to comb it out now because I don't want the curls to drop completely while I'm curling the rest of my hair. So I'm just going to let it sit right there like that and let it cool down in the state that it is after. And when I'm curling my hair, I do leave the curler on the curls for about maybe 10 seconds. So that's a good amount of time for me to achieve the curls that I want. So I leave it around probably 10 seconds or a little bit more for each section of hair that I am parting, and for each section of hair that I am curling individually. Yeah, so this video is for the girls who are struggling with curls, or if you can't get a last minute appointment for getting your hair done or your hair curled, this is a nice DIY video, hair tutorial. You can learn from this, and you know, and avoid just spending all that money on just doing different hairstyles. You can switch it up a lot, because if you're doing it yourself, you're not spending a lot of money, because you know it's DIY, you're doing it yourself, and you can just have a different look every single day. And who don't want to look like a bad bitch every single day? I know I do. So I know you girls want the tea on how you curl your hair and how you pin it up and how you keep the curl and everything like that. So don't worry, if you have straight hair and you want to, you know, switch it up a little, be versatile, you can curl it in different ways. You can also use the smaller curler to achieve smaller curls if that's the look that you're going for. Yeah, you can add a side part, make a little bang on a side. Like, I love frontals because they're so versatile. You can do so many things with this wig. And for this wig, as you saw in the beginning of the clips, I did show the wig before I installed it on my head. This is a 13x4 frontal, yes, but the sides do not come all the way back. the sides come about halfway, and the middle part comes it goes back to 4 basically. So you don't have that much parting space on the sides, but in that middle section you do have much more parting space because of how this wig was constructed. But again, this is affordable hair. This is the Amazon wig. If you want something fast, quick, and easy, if you're waiting on your hair to come and your hair is delayed, or they don't have what you need wherever you get your regular hair, you want something quick that's cute and still looks good quality, that's gonna last you you know, a couple of weeks or so, this is the wig that you would like to purchase. Don't sleep on Amazon, girls. Do not sleep on Amazon, because I know it's you know, some people are kind of sketchy about ordering from Amazon as far as hair wigs and stuff like that, because some of the wigs are synthetic and some of them are like a synthetic blend with human hair and synthetic hair. So just read the specs of the hair when you're going to make a purchase, and I like to read the reviews too when I'm trying to make a purchase. I like to purchase these wigs because again, they're affordable, very affordable, and very versatile, and I like to switch it up a lot. So that's why I rather go to Amazon and just try out different vendors and purchase me a nice little wig so I can switch it up, and I have a different hairstyle every time you see me, girl. Yeah, it's how we coming. We got to be more independent, girls. We can't be going to the hair salon every week acting like we handicapped, like something wrong with us. Girl, ain't nothing wrong with you if you don't get in here and grab that curling iron, plug that thing up, and stop playing. Get your spritz and your hairspray. Sit your ass down and curl your hair. All right, thank you. Yeah. So, and Valentine is coming up soon. I got this really cute wig that I want to install for Valentine's Day. It looks it reminds me of Valentine's. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it closer to Valentine's or if I'm just too faint out and I'm just gonna make a video with that you know, soon within the next couple of uploads, because you know Valentine's not that far away. But I just really love the color and everything of this wig that I'm talking about, and it reminds me of Valentine's Day. And yeah, you guys just will see. Just stay tuned, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I do have other videos on my channel as far as makeup, and I do nails as well. So if you check out some of my other videos that I have uploaded, so you can see my other interests and other things that I enjoy doing, and I'm sharing with you my tips and how I do it and showing exactly step by step. Yeah, so I am going to be just curling one side of my hair on camera, and I'm going to, when I'm finished installing the hair on one side, I'm sorry, not installing, when I'm finished curling the hair on one side, I'm going to come back with the other side already curled. You know, this is YouTube world, so I'm going to come back in like 1 second after the side is curled, come back, show you guys the nice beautiful curls and how we move from there. So the sections in the back I did make a little bit bigger, but I am using a different method. I am going to be wrapping it a different way in the back for certain parts. You don't have to always hold the curling iron like this. I did show a clip where I'm holding the curler upside down, and I just wrap the hair down the barrel of the hair curler, and I'm holding the handle sticking straight up, if that makes any sense. And it gives you the same exact curl that you achieve this way. It's just a different way that you can hold the curling iron. But yeah, so each section, as I said before, I leave it for about 10 seconds or so. When I'm curling my hair, that is enough time to you know, achieve those nice curls. And I am tapping it right there, as you can see, because I want to see that if it's hot and if it's ready for me to unravel that curl. As you can see, this is coming out really pretty. I really liked how these curls were coming out. I didn't want to run my fingers through it or mess it up, so you just see me trying to move it out the way to preserve the curl until it is time to comb them out, basically. So just take your time, ladies, when you're curling your hair, and make sure you be careful not to burn yourself, because these curling are hot. As we know, it gets very, very hot. I don't have a glove on here, but I was just trying to touch where the hair was so I can just see if it was ready for me to uncurl. So this is me after I came back and I had curled the other side of the hair off camera. I'm just showing you how the hair looks after both sides of this wig. This frontal wig is curled. Again, this is a 22-inch wig from Amazon, a frontal wig. I'm going to be taking this big wide tooth comb, and now I'm going to be using that to comb through these curls. And as you can see, when you comb through the curls, they all just they blend together so well that it looks like just big body wave curls. Now you can't see the separation from the curls when you do comb it out with your comb. And again, if you want those curls to last, ladies, make sure you spray your spritz on your hair before you leave the house so that that curl can stay in place for a very long time and last you throughout the day. See, these how my curls came out. I really did like how big the curls were. And as you can see, the hair holds a curl pretty well. Just make sure you just comb it thoroughly through, and as you can see, they blend together and they form these nice big body waves. This is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out some other videos that I have already uploaded, and check out me on my other social media platforms. See you in the next video.